Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, it is part 2 today on the Ford Focus with the clutch. And basically the whole car should get finished today. There's not a lot left to do on this. Do all the checks, go all over it. We've cleaned the wheels, they're done, so they can go back on. But there is some bits and pieces to do still around it. The inside's got to be cleaned. Just basically get it ready for sale, really, and get some pictures up. But this is going to be a lovely, lovely little car. So just before we get into it, just want to quickly say thanks for all the subscribers for Dave's DC driving his YouTube channel last night. Fantastic, guys. Really appreciate all the support, and he does as well. And he just wanted me to say thanks for all the support showing Dave as well on his YouTube channel. So let's get into it. I'll set you up. Let's do this. So guys, let me explain what I'm doing. As you can see, there is a bottle, and that is .4, and the pipe. I've looked into this, and whether or not this is going to work, I don't know, but we're going to find out. We're going to give it a go, and we're going to see what's going to happen. But apparently what you do is you connect the pipe to the bleed nipple up on the actual clutch there, the outlet, and it runs into a bottle, and the pipe has got to be filled, well, the bottom's got to be filled up with .4, plus the pipe's got to be submerged lower than the actual .4, so it's got to be inside. And then all you do is you open the tap and then slowly press the clutch pedal. And what happens is, as you press it, it pushes the air out and the bubbles come up. And as you depress it, it pulls the .4 up the tube, the pipe, and it fills up. And that's apparently the best way to bleed it. I don't know, guys. Like I said to you, I haven't tried this before, but I am willing to try anything, really, just to see if it's going to work. Because if it does, then it's going to be, you know, a lot easier on my own doing it. The only trouble is that I can't see, because what happens is once the bubbles stop coming out, that means the system is bled and there's no more air in the system. But I don't know when the bubbles are going to stop, because I'm in the car pressing the clutch pedal. So yeah, I have got another phone. I'm going to probably set it up and see if I can record me doing this, as well as recording. So I'm going to set you up. This is so awkward. I'm going to set you up on the tripod over here. I'm going to set another phone up over here so I can then press the brake pedal, press the clutch for a few minutes, then come out, then check the footage on that phone to see if it's done it. Yeah, it's worth a try. It's worth a go. I'm on my own. It's worth a try. So let's do this. Right, guys, I am absolutely shocked that just worked. I think that is perfect. Like, I just tested it, checked it out, done it twice, just went backs and forwards twice just to make sure, checked the phone to make sure that all the air bubbles had gone, and it had. And at first, when it was all connected up and the bottle was connected up, I tried the clutch and it was really sort of soft. And I thought, it's not working. So I took it all apart, put it all, put the cap back on, done it back up, made sure the reservoir was up as well. Make sure I was checking that as well. So you actually undo that, take that cap off, and then do it, and then put it back on. And then when I went inside to check the actual pedal, it is really, really good. It feels really, really nice, like a clutch should. Yeah, honestly, that feels really, really good. But obviously the test is going to be putting it in gear and making sure that it goes through the gears and drives really nice. But so far, so good. I can't believe that actually potentially worked. Yeah, I'm absolutely shocked. How I haven't found this out before, I don't know. And yeah, that is an absolute game. Like, I just made it up. Like, literally just made this up. Bottle. I've done a hole in the top, bit of pipe, and then made sure that the dot 4 is submerged and the actual pipe is below. And I'm still just shocked actually that it's the most easiest way to bleed the clutch. And yeah, I should have done this a long time ago. Never mind. We live and learn. Learned something else. I hope you guys have learnt something as well when it comes to bleeding these clutches, because I believe this is absolutely spot on. And it's completely full and there's no air in the system, which is great. Absolutely fantastic. So let's continue. We'll put it all back together, battery and all that, put everything back on, and then I'm going to start the engine and we're going to check to make sure that it goes into gear nice and smooth with no issues. So let's carry on, guys. Let's do this. Right, guys, absolutely spot on that clutch. Just drove it off here, so I've got to make sure I take it for a test drive, go for all the gears, and make sure it's nice and smooth out on the road. But so far, so good. It feels really, really good. Goes in all the gears, and the biting point is absolutely spot on in the middle. Perfect. It's lovely. So, yeah, we can now move on to the actual cleaning of this car. I want to go ahead and clean all the engine bay, give it a nice clean, just ready so we could get some pictures done, and this is up for sale. I'm still not sure what this is actually going to be worth. It's only a Cat N. It's only got 40,000 miles on the clock, new timing belt, new water pump, full service, new clutch. Still got the MOT until next year. So, and it's got 2 keys. Yeah, incredible. Someone is going to get an absolute little bargain of a car, but I'm not sure how much really it's worth and what put it up for. So, yeah, I'm still looking into that. Anyway, let's crack on and get the cleaning done around this car. So, I'll set you up. Let's do this. Guys, this one has turned out really, really smart. This looks really good now. Look at the engine bay. Really, really nice and tidy. It's not all dusty. It's not all dirty. It just looks like it's done 40,000 miles, and it has. So, yeah, really, really nice this has turned out. Someone is going to get an absolutely blinding little car. Well, biggish car. Done the seats as well. Always like to try and do the seats because they're just a little bit grubby, and they're just drying off at the minute. So, but it just looks so much better in here now. So much cleaner. The back seats as well. Bench seats all done, all hoovered, all cleaned. Glass cleaned inside and outside, and you can see like it just, the glass looks incredible. Really, really good. These reversing sensors, they still actually work, funnily enough, because most of the time reversing sensors on Fords like Fiestas and Focuses, they don't work because there's a module in the back that gets damp, and they just stop working. But this one, it still works, so that's really good for the new owners. But I am happy now. It's nice and clean. It's nice and tidy. I can get some pictures done. And then that's it. It can go off to the next owner. And yeah, with, like I said to you before, timing belt, water pump, full service, clutch. It just, this will just go on and on and on for many, many years to come. As long as they look after it and as long as they service it regularly, this will just keep going and going and going. And what a lovely little car it is. It's going to be a nice one for someone. So there we go. I'm done. I'm finished. This Focus is all complete. So I am going to leave it there. I'm going to end the video there. I'm going to call it a day. That is the end of this project. We're going to have to jump on some new projects soon. But for now, on this one, we are complete. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop me a comment. Give the video a thumbs up. Another one out the door. So, yeah, all good. Thanks for watching. See you soon.